Hey guys, welcome back. I just got off work and I'm extremely tired, but my family still needs to eat. So today is the first day of my new series, Dinner in 60 Minutes or Less. I'll leave the recipe and everything I used in the description box below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. And if it's the middle of the week and you need a quick meal too, stay tuned. So to start off with, I'm pulling the meat away from the skin and bones off this chicken. This is leftover chicken from our Soul Food Sunday meal. You can use a store-bought rotisserie chicken as well. I've done that in the past. Then I used my hand mixer to shred the chicken up. That is a life hack for you guys. It makes it so much easier. Here in my pot, I have 1/3 cup of oil and I added 2 1/4 scoops of flour. Then I'm adding 1 cup of chicken broth. And you don't brown the flour. You just mix it together to get the clumps out, and I'm mixing it together here as well. And then I will add a quart of this heavy whipping cream, and this is what makes it really creamy and so delicious. My family likes our soups creamy, so I use a lot of heavy whipping cream. I keep a lot of it in the refrigerator. And I'm just mixing everything together, getting all the lumps out and making it smooth. Whenever you make something that is creamy, any soup that is creamy, you do have to stir it often or it will burn at the bottom of the pan, and you don't want scorched food. Here I'm just adding a little bit of seasoning. Just a little all-purpose seasoning and some salt. Not too much salt, just a little bit, because you can always add more, but you cannot take it away. Now mixing everything together. Then I'll let that boil and thicken for a little bit. And then I'll add the chicken that we shredded up. Once I add the chicken, I'll take some frozen mixed vegetables and I'll add that to the pot as well. I use frozen vegetables, not canned, because I find canned vegetables disgusting. And I'm just going to mix it all together. And it's a little too thick right now, so I use some chicken broth to thin it out. And then I let it boil for a little bit, and I just stirred it in and added chicken broth until I got the consistency I wanted. And I had some garlic bread sticks in the oven, and that was it. Dinner is ready. And there you have it, guys. Less than 20 minutes later, we have this delicious, creamy chicken pot pie soup. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss awesome recipes like this.